Alright, so let me just delve right into it. So I'm here to talk about blockchain, and I want it to be very interactive. So how many of us, since we came here, we heard about blockchain, cryptocurrency. Who owns crypto here? Do you own any crypto? Okay, let me see. Do you own any crypto here? Have you been scammed in crypto before? Yes. How come you didn't own crypto but you were scammed? How did that happen? Alright, so let me just really quick about this. I don't know if I'll have the slides, but let me just go right into it. So I want to talk about the blockchain. Before I can talk about careers in the blockchain, we're talking about the future of work. And blockchain has come to change a lot of things. When I finished university, I just went right into doing blockchain things. Like, I've had experience working remotely in the blockchain space. And it will amaze you the kind of opportunities that are here, right? So first of all, before I can talk to you about career opportunities, I need to tell you what blockchain is, right? So who has an idea what blockchain is? I can't take answers because it's 15 minutes. But let me just, I don't have any money today, okay? So blockchain basically is a way of storing data, okay? You want to store data in such a way that you cannot easily hack the system. You cannot change anything. And the data is stored in 3 ways. The first way is that we say the data is stored in a decentralized manner. I know it's a big word. Decentralized simply means that we don't have any middleman. It is peer-to-peer, right? So when you hear something like P2P, it means it's peer-to-peer. So the data we want to store is stored in a decentralized manner, it's peer-to-peer, and it's in such a way that you can't hack or change the data. When Google Docs is connected to the internet, one thing that happens is that you can share the link with your friends. Is that true? When you go to Google Docs too, and there's any change, you can see that something was changed maybe 2 seconds ago, 3 seconds ago. It means everybody can see what's going on. So the blockchain is saying that you want to store data, but we are storing it in a way that it is decentralized. It means everybody can have access to the data. Anything that goes on in real time, you can all see. If there's any change, we will all see the change and we'll all say, yes, we agree to the change before the change takes place. That's what blockchain is all about. So blockchain has changed many industries. But what is very popular is cryptocurrency, because that's where the money is. So everybody sitting here, I don't know the amount of money in your Momo wallet. That is why someone, maybe for the guys here or for the ladies here, you can ask someone for money, or the guys here, your parents, they can say, oh, I don't have money. You can't contend it, because even though you have the account number, can you know the amount of money in the account? If you have my Momo number, 055 something, you know the amount of money in my Momo. It's not possible. But here in the blockchain, because of how data is stored, if you have my wallet address, you will know the amount of money I have in my wallet. So if I give you my wallet address right now, I give you a website, you go and put my wallet address there, and you know, wow, you have this amount of money. If I moved money 3 seconds ago, it shows. It shows where I moved the money to. It's incredible. But don't be scared, because there are no. So in the blockchain space, you don't need to only trade. You don't need to be a developer. You have other skills like project management, product management, those who like TikTok and those things. You are content creators. You have no idea the kind of brands that are out there to want to push their things out there to people. I know people who just post their tweets for $1,000. Yes, a tweet for $1,000, and that's about someone's 9 months salary in Ghana. So content creators, educators, I like talking, as you can see. That's what I do. So someone will call me, I'll go and talk, and I can get some money from there. That's education, project management. Whatever you are doing now, we need lawyers in the space, journalists in the space. This space is going to accommodate everybody, because it's a whole evolving technology, and we need people who are in different fields, right? So whatever you are doing today, don't think that I can't start in the blockchain space. I think that people think it's mystical, but it's not. It's a very, very simple space you can get started in. The truth is that you don't even need to do anything in university to work in this space. I read actuarial science, but I'm not doing anything actually, right? The only thing I'm doing now is managing projects, and I learned on the job and online. So first of all, get the skill, be educated. Be educated in this space, because the kind of content management or journalism you do outside is not the same here. The kind of marketing you do outside is not the the same kind of marketing you do here. Here, there are so many interesting things that you need to learn. So first, get educated, build skills. YouTube is a whole university. We have so many online courses that I took. Last 3 weekends, I took 2 courses on one Saturday because I wanted to refresh my memory. Okay, so Udemy, Coursera, you can take so many courses. Aside taking the courses, the next step is to explore, become a volunteer. There are many blockchain companies, and we call something Web3. So Web3 is basically all the products that are built in the blockchain space. So we have wallets, we have exchanges, all these things are Web3, right? So we have brands who are looking for people to work.